Me did Isaac Jumpo, but you have the great sample and bring one man come on here too much G8, too much G8, more too much. Namenso, may I'm more fire.
For Aquabashunko and Koma Obibia, and a day, Munia Bamo, so for Mexicana, and some magic training, Ewa or my moon, Eba so, Medina Punacasis, and I just send someone, Bro Ghana for so I just say, who bro hey, Etene baby, and say, sorry, I just a Ghana hey. Nini na any say, yes, Speaker of Parliament, Mano, whom you know, tune swabano, and no, not just say, I won't see, I see, I shall the anya a jumasa. Na any say, about 2 way pet, and I skirt and brows, such as a presidential, wafa a presidential candidate, afa abano. Na parliament so dear opposition party achese wo ye NDC amanyokuo no abomodi asisa parliament seat ni dodo na ebi kra NC da first in the history ni name no Ghana for omwonwa Ghana for bobo se we dey parliament tare na enunti enam ni esi wo parliament no Ghana for be bring surprise if so wo mu to say seni ade na koye se abano members na seat na parliament no apai ni die independent jire mu ni die wo mu ni se yinkofo ya ndwe Ghana ho pedifo na ndwe Ghana ho na umbedwin partisan dia nya yenwi ananye sorry ya yeti yi enye wonwa ebekoso esisi wa ma chese Ghana mambuo no ye din ama is excellent na do down kwa chese ye de no esi akonya so na etiefo se ekopa basabasa ye we nyina menti be wansi we nyina character course so parliament na say ma military ni police fo nya be pie mu wo se wo mo kame se ne ebe ya abatu wo be nya kwan etimi esipi ana akoso no nyame adum etimi sosidi ye ma abatu ne course ma ye kase ye speaker of parliament the ama omanyi na wonipa nyame adum ne otimi ye speaker of parliament Honorable Alban Sumana Kingsford wonu na ye kase yetumi efa no anato no suaba ma ninya speaker of parliament etiefo enu echi no former president for amanyokuo NDC ni mono John Dramani Mahama ababe kasa what the response be ababe tuja what the congratulations be ababe tuja on the pages so ultimately won say victory will pass or patches say amanyokuo NDC members of parliament my dear papa Woma chama kukujuo no ma chire determination so ampa if we say we there was say surprise na ni name mo na tie for say na ye papa ye former president John Dramani Mahama wodi ne nsem no etu edwa congratulations great honorable Alban Sumana Kingsford on your election as the speaker of the 8th parliament of the 4th republic. The event of last night stretching into the morning of 7th January have been both a great occasion for Ghana's democracy and at the same time a day of infamy, which will go down as a low point in our democratic practice. Which means na wo bo Ghana abaso wo bo Jumedi akoso wo bo na chita ifo ye member of parliament no minority no wo bo wo mo abaso na o se bo Ghana democracy abaso o se Ghana fo ati democracy ase Ghana fo ama ye hu se wo mote about one of konto ye no ase papa na etiefo say na wo to aso the election of speaker Bagbin affirms what a great democracy we can build for ourselves and how dialogue and consensus building can make us even stronger as a nation. Now, Opache Papa say, yes, say what would to me a year, papa, na man Ghana, ya chine say, ya per se, ya quay dim, ya per se, ya tumpo, ya man democracy, aye, a juma, na a tier for, and no mean, some year, papa, edit back 2 page, you know. Ghana for ni bi aba be kasa se we de nanu hwam wa kasa ye na mama mi fa entu da eye Samson liar or say great leadership from the party and yourself say was to say eye former president John Dramani Mahama or a great leader for eye na man okuo na was a great leader on his own and na King also said better days ahead, Mr. President. That's a war share papa you cry a year message ever to a jano. Better days ahead, Mr. President. Our current democracy has been exposed to a fragile state for the first time in the Fourth Republic. Congrats to the NDC consensus for upholding the true state of our democracy. One also named someone. Were they able to ja yenya obina one also said you see what God can do. JM and his babies with sharp teeth were insulting this great man when he was telling them the truth, called him street side bomber. And Emmanuel Quay, congratulations, better days ahead as we contest this flawed elections in court as well. The voice of God is the voice of the people. It's therefore who stress commenter buy ye chire ye papa ni commenter and the message on the control the page so now timi who said dodo na kasa the mano kasa say wa ya dear congratulations to him even though say parliamentary candidate no che say ni ade wo di djumani bi bato no na ye flag bearer from the ko NDC samanyoko NDC timi ama ye wo member na say woni pa do makuma so tumi aye speaker of parliament dia na chere say wo hia basobodi omuni na praise papa former president John Dramani Mahama na tiefo wo hwe ne nsem ya wo de betu ja eni sa mre yi enija epie mu ama amanyoko NDC a die na wo eka de fa wo ja wa dwenkyere to your comment section wo mama na subscribing to too much HFD cases na di dwumedi bia to mu a won so amomu wana wetumi akire wadwen na wo share like e promote channel we yon dwume ko mo so ya se ma yetumi di dwumedi ebe so mu mama Gillette Ventures oba wo pese wo kitchen e wo ye nika wo bibie tuwura wa nche no we pie dia ene wo city room dia ne wo fie dia bo ma dia fa mama Gillette number na wo be boa amanya wo hia bia e wo fie ma wo ho kaka esi edimu and esipe no etumi abemu afelon master malon within 24 hours yenya so ya government worker e wo Ghana na wa affordability obeboa ma wenya urgent money for urgent project now mo rate so there da for mo kwa afelon master number e wo screen so na che say obotaye no enwie paye any day eye medical and am dinkita wi ebeso mo dasne ye besa asia update bia so mesa edi ababeso